Joe Wentworth here with Peerless-AV. I'm a senior product manager, and here we have our new STS680. So this is a mount that gives you full serviceability. You have 12.8 inches of extension for this product. It's ultra low profile, so this is only 1.8 inches from the wall. So it's ADA compliant, which displays up to 2.2 inches thick. This new design has a great feature in here. It is a Incrlock depth adjustment. What that allows you to do is position the latching on this mount anywhere from 1.8 inches to 7.8 inches off the wall. And what that allows you to do is basically set your depth for any equipment that's going to go behind this display. So if you have PDUs or the Crestron Collab Compute or other devices that are maybe even deeper, it allows you to adjust that out so you always have room for that equipment. This is available now. You can see this product at peerlessav.com.